Hey guys!
Hey guys, welcome back to Lexi's channel. Today we are
Okay, so I'm just making vegan pesto. So this is the pesto I made.
Be sure to like
and still trying. I still need to like blend this more, but
when you want to get notified when Lexi posts.
so that's the pesto. Okay, so the pesto is made with like 3 cups of basil, garlic cloves, olive oil, nutritional yeast, hemp seeds, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and yeah, so it's just blending in there right now. And I'm making the noodles. There's also going to be mushrooms and peas in it. Mia's favorite mushrooms.
and crackers.
No, there's not gonna be any crackers in it.
There could be. Ow.
Just gotta get the pan ready.
Can't relate. I don't know what these are.
Oh really?
I only know A's.
Yeah, so yeah, we are gonna make some s'mores tonight, but I'm gonna have those ones. Those are the vegan ones. But yeah.
Cracker.
I was also thinking about just roasting mushrooms, you know. That's what I'm probably gonna have for s'mores. But I know they would love to have some roasted mushrooms too at the bonfire.
I hate mushrooms.
That's gross.
They are slimy and
Yeah, these peaches are really good.
Hey, I'd like to rant. Mushrooms are slimy.
They're gross.
Don't listen to it. Mushrooms are really good.
They're gross.
Mushrooms are amazing.
They're gross.
And they have protein in them too.
But other things have protein.
Yeah, like that aren't nice. Okay, I was gonna stop.
Alright, these noodles should be done.
Can I test it out?
I'm gonna make Mia test it out. It's really hot.
Maybe don't.
I'm just gonna put it right here to cool down.
Eat it with a cracker.
Alright.
Stick some.
Just try it.
It's not that hot. It's not.
It's hot when you like touch it for a while.
Maybe a marshmallow.
Okay, let me just try it.
No, I want to try it.
This needs more cooking.
Yeah.
Alright, the noodles should be done now, so I'm gonna drain them.
Lexi's mom, she's cooking.
Mia, what did you do? What's in your mouth? Oh my god.
No.
Alright,
No, where'd
so
it
now
go?
I'm cutting up 16 ounces of
That's such a
tofu.
lie. I know it's there. You're just moving. Where is it? That's gross. My cup boiled it. I don't like
Gonna add some olive oil.
I don't like the yolk.
Oh yeah, that's like.
Yes. Tofu. So now I'm just letting this fry for a little bit. Oh, did you say she was the salt?
I am salt.
I'm pepper.
I am salt. I am sugar. I am pepper.
I am pepper because even salt looks
And now we're gonna add a tablespoon of pesto.
Cooked noodle.
Just to this.
Put that.
We're gonna mix it around. We're gonna get 2 cups of these mushrooms.
Mushrooms are no.
No, do like 0 mushrooms.
No.
-1 cup.
Negative
-1 cup of mushrooms. Okay. Alright.
There's a child.
Oh my god, cute.
No, there's a child out there. There's a child.
2 cups.
0 cup.
0.
2 cups mushrooms.
Bird.
Pigeon.
That is not a pigeon.
You're a pigeon.
I know.
I'm gonna make these a little smaller. This should be ready. Add in.
No, I don't really care.
So we're cooking that for about 5 to 7 minutes.
No, yeah, no one
It's
cares.
looking good now. Now we're gonna add in the peas. We're gonna add a cup.
Did you spill that?
1.5 cup. Now we can add the rest of the ingredients.
Please, the more you eat, the more you
Good.
How do I ask the questions? I can't. See, that's why I can never do it. What? No, this.
Yeah, so now I'm just mainly stirring the rest of the ingredients together so it cooks pretty well. Alright, so this is the final result. So yeah, as you can see, my kitchen is a mess.
We're gonna do it quicker.
But you know, yeah, so hey.
Hi.
Clean up.
I'm cleaning up my kitchen.
Clean up.
I hope that made it. I mean,
Some extra noodles.
yeah, okay, I thought it didn't make it.
Yes.
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 Alright.
Good job, bro. Be proud.
I really
Is
like
it good?
it.
That's really good.
Awesome. Wait,
Do you like my mix?
this is Chloe's version.
This is my mix. It's uniquely amazing.
Okay, well, you're gonna
Alright,
eat
let's
it.
see
Wait, I want to eat one.
if Chloe likes.
I really don't know how to use a fork. Oh, that's really good.
Awesome.
Proud. That's so
Yay.